Hello viewers, what's up? In this video, I will show you how to add, how to show, how to display your specific pages on your nav menu according to your user rules. For doing this, what we have to do first, we have to log in our WordPress dashboard. Viewers, you are seeing here is home, blog, sound, service, shop, contacts, login, and my account. Viewers, as I am login at the moment, so I don't want to show my login and account page. That means I don't want to show these pages when I am login. I want when I sign in or login, only my account page or account name will show in this menu. Login no need. So what we have to do, I'm going my dashboard and I'm going to add a new plugin. Just search your nav menu rules. Nav menu rules. Okay viewers, nav menu rules. Just install now and click and just activate. Viewers, I want this login page will not display it for the users who are in login. But this my account, this nav or this menu will display on login users. Okay. So after activation the plugin, we have to go to appearance, then go to menu. Okay, come to the menu. Okay. Viewers, just click on here and just I would like to click on here login in users. So now it is for everyone. So if I click on login for users, that means this my account page will display on menu bar only for login users. And which kinds of login users? Subscriber and customizer. Okay. Okay then. And this login page I don't want to display for the login out users. I want to display this login page only log out users. Okay, all have done. Then just save menu. After saving the menu, I have to just go to the website and click here. Viewers, if I refresh this website, I will see login page will be hidden. Login page is hidden. Why page is hidden? Because we already log in as an admin. So login page should be disabled. Okay, so just let log out. Okay, so after log out, if I log out and view my site, then I will see. Okay viewers, here I am log out at the moment. So when I log out, then login page will show because I have to log in. So just click on login and login, just login, username and password. Okay viewers, now you are seeing after login this page redirect to my account page, and here is my account page, and when I click on home, Okay, my account page here, my account page should be disabled. Okay, so here is my account page, login users. Okay, so let's hit author also. So when I click on author, save menu, because I'm author, so okay, just refresh it. Okay, just refresh it, because uh, I just wanted to show my account page for customer and subscriber. That's why my account page is not showing, because I'm admin. So if I make it admin also, if I make it admin also, administrator, then save menu. When I save menu and come to this website and refresh, so when I refresh, my account page should be here. Just click here, you'll see your all account information. So that's all, viewers. This is very cool video and very useful video, especially for e-commerce developer and customizer. You can easily do this job by using a simple plugin without any coding knowledge. Thank you very much, viewers, and see you on the next video in advance. Welcome.